Hey guys, welcome back to Blazing Sky. I am Johnny.
I'm Sky.
Hey everybody, finally we got a beautiful day, and what a video we have for you today. We've been cooped up because it's been cold and raining. In the last video we had just purchased my wife her very first motorcycle, and since then we've ordered a few parts for the bike. My wife and I, we're getting older now, we're not as young as we used to be, so first thing we wanted to change was the ergonomics and how the bike really felt. Another thing, the bike was lowered, so what we wanted to do was raise it back up a little bit to give it a little ground clearance. So we raised up the front. Now when we first got the bike, it had some green rims, but it was actually like some green tape that was wrapped around the rims, so that had to go. So we had ordered a few parts for the bike, and among those parts are some dirt bars from Pro Taper, and dirt bar risers, and new triple clamp. Now, in order for all that to fit properly, I had to do some modifications to the bike itself, like cutting the windscreen and getting longer brake lines. So we went ahead and got stainless steel braided brake lines as well, and added new brake fluid. It is almost a 20-year-old bike, and we don't know what's been done to it before we got it, if maintenance was even kept up with at all, you know. Also, there's an FI light on the dash, and I ran a diagnostic on it, and it came back saying that the airflow pressure sensor was faulty. I went ahead and took the bike apart and found the sensor was unplugged. But when I went to plug it back in, the light went away, okay? The FI light went away, but the bike was running weird. Like it was running super rich or something. And it was just shooting flames up the yin yang. The idle was crazy. So I went ahead and just unplugged it, and it seems to run fine. So got it all buttoned up. I don't want to do like an install video and all that stuff, but I can show you the before and after. We're about to fire this thing up and see what it rides like now. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so I'm about to fire this thing up and take it around the block and warm the tires up for her and let her take it for a spin and see what she thinks. Also, later on, we're gonna be loading up all the e-bikes in the back of the truck, and we're gonna go somewhere like Medicine Park and go for a ride. All right, y'all. About to fire it up and take her for a spin. Let's go. Put on the gloves. Wow. It's really comfy. Sitting upright instead of all in race mode all the time. Woo, it feels good. Been a while since we've been on this thing. Now, I usually don't put my visor down riding in the city. Probably anything over 45 though, yeah. But I never leave home without a helmet. lot better, feels a lot better. I love you, honey.
All right. All right. Okay. I haven't ridden in a while. Riding a bike, right?
How was it? You have fun?
Yeah.
Yeehaw!